Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Saturday morning, so it's time to do another painting. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe, and I'm going to be painting on a wooden canvas, which I've never done before. So come along and let's create a beautiful painting this morning. Come and join me. Right, I am back. I am just putting my gloves on, because would you believe I haven't even started painting yet and I've already got paint on my hands. And I don't want to get paint on this painting because I want to show it to you. So this is the painting we did last weekend. Of course it is now dry. And it is so pretty. The colors are so pretty on it. And the lacing is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So this painting is going to be photographed today, and it'll be put into my Etsy shop, available to buy later today. Just look at that lacing. Very, 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 very cool painting. So yeah, that'll be photographed today and put in the Etsy shop. Then here, it's a wooden canvas. It's a proper canvas, but it's made out of wood. And I don't know, I've never used one before, but I saw it and I thought, there's something different. Let me try that. And I've had it for, well, since last October, and I've never used it. So, and right, what have I got? I've just got some colors. I've got my palette knife that I'm going to swipe with, and I think today I'm just going to do random swipes all over the place. They're not going to be this way, that way, this way, that way. They're just going to be random. I wonder if I need to put a base down. I should be fine. Alright, so I'm just going to start off and just put some paint down. I can just put that there for in case I want to use it, just to put around the edges. Right, let's put a color down. I don't have any sticks. So, randomly putting colors down. Just get it all out. Okay, another color. All this paint that I'm putting around the sides, it'll all just help when I start tilting it, so might as well leave it on. And then another color. But it looks like I've got enough paint on here, so I shouldn't have a problem. Like that. Another color. And I do just want to put a little bit of gold, just to sprinkle across there. Okay. Right. I'm going to bring you like that. And now we're going to start swiping. Let me just get my paper towel ready here on the side. Right, let's get started. So again, you just dip your palette knife in and you swipe. Now the swipe paint that I'm using today is a mixture of my normal black paint with some silicone in and my Amsterdam oxide black mixed only with water. Mix those two together and that is what I'm swiping with. Just randomly swiping, oops, all over the place. And then wipe the swipe tool off in between. Right, and I think I'll just go down here. And up here, down there, and down there, and one more swipe. I'll just go like that. Okay, I think I've made enough of a mess now. Now I'm going to hit this with a heat gun because there's silicone in the one paint. The heat will bring up cells. So let's do that. Okay, let us talk this out. So I'm going to bring you up now. Alright, and let's start tilting. So I'm just going to go round in a circle first. Right, I'm going over. You know what, I'm just going to cover this canvas, just make it wet, just to help tilt this, just like that. Okay. Right, I'm going to bring it down to there now. Okay, bring it back to the middle. Okay, now I'm going down this way. And now down to the last corner. There's some beautiful colouring in here, I must say. And I can see quite a bit of gold. It looks very, very nice. It is taking quite a while to get the paint over, but it's going. It'll get there. Just be patient. Almost there. Okay. Wow. That is so pretty. And I don't even think I want to do anything to it. I just want to see if the paint is still moving or not. It isn't really, so okay, I'm leaving it there. Right, so just pick paint up off the table and wherever you can get wet paint, and just go around dabbing the wet paint onto the sides of your canvas where you've got spots where there's no paint on it. Just turn this around. Just to make sure it's all covered. That is perfect. Perfect. Wow. Oh, that is really, really pretty. Right, I'm going to just move this. I don't want to take my gloves off and then move the painting, so I'm just going to move the painting and then move this like that, and take the gloves off. So here it is, look at it. I'm going to bring you in now. Really pretty colors. I think you can see straight away that's gold. Can you see the flecks of gold, little dots? That's all gold. And there's gold pretty much, a little bit of it here and there. See all the gold in there? That's very pretty. But very pretty cells, very pretty lacing, very bright colors. It actually turned out really, really nice. I'm really happy with it. Get the colors in there. That's all gold there in that yellow. Some more gold in there. Really very, very happy with it. Lots of gold. Look at that. So everyone, once again, thank you very much for joining me today. The painting is absolutely gorgeous. Very happy with it. And beautiful coloring, beautiful cells, lots of gold. Very, very happy. So yeah, I will be back tomorrow when I do another painting. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It doesn't cost you anything. You just hit the subscribe button And then if you don't want to miss any of my videos, then click on the notification, the little bell next to the subscribe button. Just click on that, and whenever I release a video, it'll pop up in your YouTube front page, you know. Right, that's it. I will be back tomorrow for another painting. Join me for that. And thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.